The Snapper XD battery-powered walk mower combines a Briggs & Stratton 82-volt battery with a high-efficiency brushless motor to reach an exciting new level of durability and performance. Up to 45 minutes of quiet, low-maintenance runtime. With its 21-inch heavy-duty steel mowing deck, you can mow like a pro. Plus, smart load sensing continuously adjusts power to match cutting conditions for extended runtime. Cutting height adjusts with a single lever, and it can be stowed vertically for compact storage. The Snapper XD battery-powered walk mower is one more innovative product from a complete line of durable Snapper handheld tools. And all are powered by interchangeable 82-volt Briggs & Stratton 2 or 4 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, allowing you to power all Snapper XD tools with just one battery, which quickly recharges, so you can mow, trim, saw, clip, and blow through your yard work like never before. The Snapper XD 82-volt lawn and garden system. One battery, multiple tools, powered by Briggs & Stratton.
Get mowing this season with the Ion 16 LM, the completely cordless, battery-operated lawnmower from Sunjoe. Powered by the interchangeable and rechargeable 40-volt EcoSharp battery system, the Ion 16 LM delivers up to 40 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime on a single charge, with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. The Ion 16 LM has been engineered with a powerful 600-watt brushless motor for optimal performance, increased battery efficiency, and a longer motor life to keep your Ion mowing strong season after season. Starting the Ion mower is simple. First, open the battery compartment cover and slide your fully charged battery down until it locks into position. Insert the safety key into the slot and close the battery cover. Press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever, and the motor starts instantly. Equipped with an ergonomic handle, the Ion mower lets you easily tackle your entire lawn with more comfort and less fatigue. The Ion mower's compact design features a 16-inch deck with rugged front and rear all-terrain wheels for easy maneuvering in and out tight spaces. Quickly adjust the cutting height of your grass with the 6-position height adjustment lever, which can handle short and tall grass blades from 1.18 inches up to 3.15 inches. The Ion mower collects grass clippings into a 9.25-gallon grass bag, which comes with a filling level indicator, so you'll know exactly when the bag is full. As you mow, the indicator flap remains open until the bag is completely full. When the flap closes, you'll know it's time to empty the grass bag, which conveniently detaches for easy disposal of your clippings. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Ion 16 LM can be completely collapsed, so you can neatly store your mower without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Ion 16 LM is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. Plus, the EcoSharp battery charger meets Energy Star certification. So ditch the gas, oil, noxious fumes, pull cords, and extension cords, and experience an easier and more convenient way to get your yard work done. Ion from Sunjoe. Cut the cord.